You don't become fluent by studying and memorizing information. You become fluent by using the language. Fluency is not stored information, but fluency is more like a trained ability. There is a big difference in between these two. You can understand a grammar rule perfectly, but you still freeze when you try to speak with it. Or you can memorize vocabulary, words, and long list and still struggle to form a sentence with it. And all of this because you haven't practiced enough. Because fluency is not just knowledge, it's performance. And performance only develops through practice, through using the language, through being corrected, through someone stopping you and saying, no, say it like this. Okay, good. Now say it again. That's what builds fluency. That's why the information alone is never enough. The lessons feed you knowledge, but practice turns that knowledge into skill. And skill is what we are after. So this is why I say first watch for the first 3 days the lessons, then take your notes and memorize the words. That's 30% of the job done. The real problem is not accessing the lessons. The real problem is coaching. Because when you are learning the Arabic language by yourself, there's always uncertainty. You don't know, am I pronouncing it correctly? Do I say it like this? Am I understanding this correctly? Am I using this correctly in a sentence? Am I building the right habits? And because it's the first time you are doing this, you can't see your blind spots.